In this episode we set sail on our longest passage from Southampton to Brixham with friends. We cook underway for the first time and do our very first night sail. Welcome to Sailing Solace. We are a family of 4. I'm Kelly, this is Chris, and these two are Olivia and Orla. In August 23 we brought our new to us boat with no sailing experience. In June 24 we moved on board to save as much money as possible and prepare our boat to let the lines go and set sail around the world, and we can't wait to share it all with you.
Drive by of obviously the fuel pontoon anyway, so we know what it's like and everything.
Only problem with those?
That was at the boat show.
It makes me nervous.
Right, so now...
Hang on.
Good while I'm not cold, I'm wearing a
thermal jumper.
thermal and this has got fleece inside underneath. That's why I don't even need my jacket today.
It's unheard of that we've all got coats on and Rachel hasn't.
I'm so warm. This is
You were in
amazing.
flip-flops earlier.
So today is our longest sail and first night sail, and the first time going through the Needles. How are you feeling, Chris?
Excited.
Are you?
Cold.
You're cold? I'm going to say the sun's coming out. I'm not cold. You've got a red forehead.
Just waiting to get there.
Where? The Needles or to Brixham?
Brixham. Orla.
So we're just outside Yarmouth and it's the furthest we've been on the boat so far. It's quite calm, not really much wind. I don't think we'll be sailing too much, hopefully with a Genoa. So just here is the Needles. We can see that we're slowly approaching. So at the moment we're still 30 minutes off needing to be there, so we've had to slow down a little bit just so that we're not there too early. Rachel's on the helm. What are we going to go past soon? Where are we going? What have you taken a photo of? That's what? Of the Needles. First time in the Galley. On the move.
While we're underway.
Yeah.
So yeah, that should be fun.
Interesting.
But shouldn't you be putting it around you? Okay, what are we having for lunch?
Hot dog.
So roll cobs here, rolled. Okay, cool.
Yeah, but hot dogs are just called hot dogs. We don't call them cobs. It's just hot dogs.
They're just hot dogs.
Yeah.
Okay, cool. All right, now are we going to put that gas on or what?
I would do, but I'm not going to turn that out there yet.
Oh, I think they're putting the sails up.
They are.
Okay.
Finally got through the Needles. Was it as bad as you thought? Do you think you do it again?
Yeah.
In the dark? Really?
You're yelling with sailing. Yeah, do it again.
Doesn't feel like it's going.
Look at the line.
What? See the line moving? Any more?
the kicker in the main.
Yeah.
And leave cotton on, yeah?
Yeah.
So when you're ready, Gray.
Main is locked off, yeah. Main halyard, main sheet, main
Main's
halyard.
locked off. Yeah.
Main sheet's off, kicker's off. Yeah,
Main's on. Main halyard's on.
Yeah, the beaks
So
are off.
when Graham says you're pulling,
Yeah.
and then when you can't pull anymore, I'm pulling out, and then you're pulling as I go back in, or before I go back in.
Yeah.
So when you're ready,
Right,
Graham.
ready when you are. That's it, she's going.
Watch for the.
I can't see the laser jack.
Keep going, the first pattern's coming now. Keep going. Now wait there. Take it that way a bit, Gray. So that the. Shush a minute, all that. There you go. Keep going a bit more, Gray. As soon as it comes past there, Cal, take it up past the lazy
Tell
jack.
me where 'cause I can't see.
One more bit, Gray. No, not yet. One more bit. Bit more. Bit more. Bit more. Now. Pull. That's it. Keep going. Keep going.
Bam!
Pull. Pull.
That's teamwork.
Obviously, I can't see the top now.
Can't see anything.
A little bit more. Almost there. There. Forget.
Is that it?
Big side. Looks like it.
Looks like that's it, Chris.
What are you doing?
The reefing line has come out of the clutch, so we're just trying to get it back through.
Sailing.
All together,
We are sailing.
all together, we are sailing all together.
It's on to.
Yeah, got it. Go, 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 go. Yeah, right.
I can use the main after as well.
Filming, I can't come now.
Yeah, we're gonna have to start doing that.
We will in a minute. Just leave this. Because we're basically running straight down.
You know what we need?
We could bring that back out again and pull that.
Into here, and then push it out.
Yeah, I would say it's better to pull it over to the other side.
There you go.
Let it off a bit. Yeah. Yeah. I'll say this.
What's happening with the sail? I'm trying.
Look where the wind is.
The wind's like this behind me here, so wherever is it meant to be?
It's fine. Exactly where you want it, right behind you.
Oh.
So that the sails fill up, right?
got no boom. My boom's gone.
So I need to get it more.
See, now we are pretty much wing on wing with downwinding. Yeah. So you need to go starboard a little bit.
That's what I was trying to work out. Are you having a good time, girls?
Yeah.
What are you doing?
I'm playing with teddies.
You're playing with teddies?
Yeah. It's the birthday.
It's your baby's birthday?
Yeah.
Is it?
Not the. Thank you,
Oh, okay.
I'm like Aaliyah.
Is it warmer downstairs for you?
Yes.
Yeah? And you don't need to wear your life jackets inside, do you? Is he here?
Three! Got three! One there.
Look at the weight on that boat. Look how much water's being pushed off. Now, if you look at the size of that boat, how long it is, that is tons and tons of water being pushed off.
Right, Pan.
Oh, you got literally 5 minutes and it'll be dark, 10 minutes. And then there's no light.
First night sail.
When it gets dark, I can come on there.
This moon is beautiful.
Beautiful.
Just a little bit of a sunset. Smile for the camera.
Whips, that'll be our attention.
Smile.
Speaking of the scoop, he's happy to resuscitate.
Can't see the side, but there we are. Hello. So it's about 12:30 at night. I've just come out to check on Graham, and this is what he's done. Oh, can you see? Looks a bit dark anyway. He is here, and I've just found that this is completely covered up. He thought it was too bright, and he thinks he knows where he's going anyway without checking. So he's just steering. What you talk?
So there's a boat in front of us. He's on exactly the same
Let's check.
course.
Oh yeah.
And I'm following him, and every couple of minutes, well, maybe 15-20 minutes, I check on our course. But it means I can actually sail without having to look at the chart block.
Because it is a bit bright and we don't know how to turn it down. Just an hour and a half left to go. Longest 4 hours ever. I've already had an hour's break, honestly. So just an hour and a half to go, and then we'll be done. Our shift, and then it'll be Chris and Kelly's shift next. See ya.
Morning. It's what time? 1 o'clock? Just gone? Just gone 1 o'clock in the morning, and it's our first night on night passage. We've just come out and taken in some information on Graham. 20 miles to go. Join us next time as we explore Brixham and take a walk to Bury Head before letting the girls have a play in the sea and fix the Genoa. Join us on Patreon, where you can get additional content available only to Patreons, early access to our videos, and added to a WhatsApp group where you can chat to us and ask us anything. We're also on Coffee, where you could send the girls an ice cream if you wanted to.